Question: can I grow my channel using copyright material? The answer is a big yes. If you have proper knowledge about the fair use policy of YouTube. There are thousands of channels using copyrighted material and earning handsome amounts. But how? Today we will answer that question. I am going to show you the right way. How you can actually make money using copyright content. Before we go into details, you have to know about what is fair use policy, what is YouTube warning and content ID claims, the difference between copyright claim, copyright strike, and community guidelines strike, what is partially blocked and age-restricted content, and how you can actually grow your channel using copyright materials. Let's start with the fair use policy. It is a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyright-protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. A content ID claim means if you upload a video containing copyright-protected content, your video could get a content ID claim. These claims are automatically generated by YouTube algorithms when an uploaded video matches another video that is already on YouTube. So, if you received a copyright claim and see its details, you will get to know the claim type and its effect. Copyright claim will not affect your channel. The only disadvantage is that these videos will not be going to monetize. Even if you are not in the YouTube Partner Program, ads may be showing on your videos, and the revenue from these ads is being used to pay the copyright owner for permission to use their content. But there is still hope for you. You can remove this claim using action and also make an appeal to remove claims from your videos. Sometimes using copyright material, you will get a huge audience within days and get thousands of new subscribers. But getting watch time from these videos will not be counted for the YouTube Partner Program. So, when you get good numbers of subscribers, you can drive this traffic to your new channels, websites, Instagram, Facebook pages, or you can create a sponsored video or delete the copyright videos and start making your own videos. Also, use affiliate links in the description to earn more money. You can also use Creative Commons videos to avoid copyright. Open YouTube and search for any video you want. Click Filters and apply Creative Commons. You can use all these videos without any effect on your channel. Don't worry. In the next video, I will show you an awesome trick to get premium videos for free. Before, let's proceed with random shout-outs to my subscribers. Sicktel Tech Official, Facts Brook, and Time Alone. If you want to get mentioned, subscribe now. What is copyright strike? It means that a copyright owner submitted a complete and valid legal takedown request for using their copyright-protected content. When you get this type of formal notification, YouTube will take down your video to comply with copyright law. So getting the first strike means you will not be allowed to do the following for 1 week: upload videos, live streams, or stories. Start a scheduled live stream. Schedule a video to become public. After the 1-week period, YouTube restores full privileges automatically. But the strike remains on your channel for 90 days. Sometimes you will receive a warning notification from YouTube instead of a strike. That remains forever on your channel until you get a strike. If you get a second strike within the same 90-day period, you will not be allowed to post content for 2 weeks. But what if you get third strike within the same 90 days? Then congratulations. Your channel is permanently removed from YouTube. Each strike will not expire until 90 days from the time it was issued. Note: deleting your content doesn't remove a strike. You may also receive a strike for violating YouTube community guidelines. Community guidelines are the rules on how to behave on YouTube. So, getting a copyright claim is safe, but getting a strike is not safe. Now, what is partially blocked content? It means video clips or audio you are using in your videos are blocked in some countries. So you will not get the audience from blocked countries on this video. This will not affect your channel. Sometimes your content doesn't violate YouTube policies, but it may not be appropriate for viewers under 18. In this case, YouTube places an age restriction on the video. Age-restricted videos are not viewable to users who are under 18 years of age or signed out. The only disadvantage of getting partially blocked and age restriction is limited ads will be shown on your videos, and you will earn a limited amount of money from these videos. I hope now you have proper knowledge about YouTube restrictions. And you will play safe using copyright material. If you have any question, leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.